You know what? Sometimes happens. Sometimes happens and you think it's the end of the world, but what we realize that this engine would never have worked Baja 1000 anyway. We have to be fast, we have to go off-roading, and that engine would have left us in Mexico. So
probably would have left truck in Mexico at that point, but
this is exactly what needed to happen. So sometimes when things happen in your life, it feels like it's chaos right now, but if you could step back, a lot of times things happen for a reason. This happened for a reason.